So this is sort of the place that I would start, is like give people as many tokens as possible, let them experiment. And the other thing I would do is underfund everything a little bit. So if you're working on a project and you're like, this feels like it needs like 4 engineers, put 2 engineers on it and give them a bunch of tokens and have them figure out how to do it. And chances are they can do it. There's probably a bunch of stuff they can automate. There's a bunch of stuff they can streamline. And because they're automating it, they can do it better next time. It'll just be cheaper next time. And of course,
like a compounding effect to...
It's compounding.
A compounding effect to having fewer resources besides tokens.
That's right. It's sort of like, you know, like in business and product, you make so many decisions, it's really good to have a set of principles. So you don't have to, you can lean on the principles and you don't have to make ad hoc decisions every time. And oftentimes founders and, you know, companies, they have these like principles documents. And so this is kind of like that. But you know, the model can use these principles also, and you know, it comes in the form of skills. And of course, like if there's some use case that takes off and uses a bunch of tokens, that's when you go in and optimize it and try to make it efficient.
But in general, if I were to parrot back the advice to you of staff with fewer humans, shift budget from humans to tokens, what the output of that is to raise your upfront costs but decrease your ongoing costs. Because you've already like, it's almost like pre-compiling. Like you've done a big pile of work up front so that the over and over and over again tasks are easy and streamlined.
Yeah. That's maybe a way to think about it. And because you put less people on it, that means, you know, the people at your company can do much more.
This feels like the biggest reckoning to me of building teams is people are pretty used to having a title and a discipline, and people take great pride in being a good PM. I'm going to write a bunch of blog posts and stuff about the discipline of product. You know, there's a lot of those people out there. Or designers. I can't wait to show off my portfolio of my beautiful designs. And like, do we all just need to, within 12 months, shake off the idea that we are an anything and everybody is just this like flexible bag of token generation?
Wow, Ben, you're so optimistic.
I might use slightly different words, but we should make a T-shirt out of that. I think it's something like that. So you know, for me, I've been an engineer for a bit, but I've always worn different hats. Like I've started startups before, and I've been on the business side. I've worked on the product side. I've been on the user research side, on the design side. So for me personally, I just love building product. I don't care that it has to be an engineering hat that I'm wearing. And so it's sort of like right now I see that being borne out. So yeah, I feel like right now this is just the golden age of the generalist. People that want to do more than one thing, it's never been more fun. It's never been easier.